Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook ribs on the grill. First, carefully remove the thin membrane from the bone side of your ribs. This simple step ensures a more tender bite. Next, generously coat all surfaces with your preferred dry rub. Don't be shy. Let that flavorful rub work its magic for at least 30 minutes, or even better, several hours in the fridge for maximum flavor penetration. Now, let's get the grill ready for some low and slow cooking. Set up your grill for indirect heat, aiming for a consistent temperature between 225 and 250 degrees Fahrenheit. This gentle heat is key for tender ribs. Add some wood chips or chunks, like hickory or apple, for that irresistible smoky flavor. Don't forget a drip pan underneath to keep things moist and catch any delicious drippings. It's time for the magic to happen. Place your ribs on the indirect heat side of the grill and let them cook for about 3 hours, maintaining that steady temperature. After this initial phase, carefully wrap each rack tightly in aluminum foil, adding a splash of apple cider or juice for extra moisture. Return these wrapped bundles to the grill for another 2 hours. This 2-2-1 method is a classic for a reason. For the grand finale, unwrap your ribs and place them back on the grill for the final hour. This is your chance to baste them with your favorite barbecue sauce if you like. We're looking for an internal temperature of at least 195 degrees Fahrenheit for that perfect, fall-off-the-bone tenderness. Once done, remove them from the grill and let them rest for 15 to 20 minutes before slicing. Enjoy your perfectly grilled ribs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.